Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best beach umbrella for UV protection. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with All-in-One beachBUB Beach Umbrella. The All-in-One beachBUB Beach Umbrella is among the best beach umbrellas in the market. The umbrella casts a canopy of at least 7.5 feet with its 220G commercial-grade PA-coated fabric. It's a must-mention that the fabric has a UV rating of 50 plus UPF, which is the highest rating available. With this, you're guaranteed a maximum sun blockage. Its ultra base enhances your safety even further, offering at least 75 pounds resistance at the bottom of the pole. This is confirmed to secure the umbrella in winds up to 30 miles per hour. Besides the umbrella and the beachBUB Ultra Base, its full package comes with an oversized carry bag, a towel hook collar, sand scoop shovel, and a sand gopher tool, a crucial tool when assembling the umbrella. OutdoorMaster Beach Umbrella. Although it has a relatively smaller canopy than beachBUB's all-in-one umbrella, OutdoorMaster's Beach Umbrella is another parasol with out-of-the-box features compelling enough to make it a must-have accessory at the beach for UV protection. Its durable and flexible fiberglass rib makes it strong and breaking resistant. The umbrella's head is designed with a two-way rotation tilt mechanism, making it adjustable. Its full package comes with a handy cup holder, so you'll not have to worry about where to place your drinks, phone, and sunglasses. Sport-brella Premiere UPF Plus Umbrella. If your umbrella choice is driven by canopy size, then the Sport-brella Premiere UPF 50 Plus umbrella is best for you. The umbrella extends an 8-foot canopy, enough to shade at least 2 adults. As its name suggests, its fabric is UPF 50 Plus rated, meaning it offers quality blockage from UV rays. The pole is heavy duty, so you'll never worry about it getting broken by winds. Conversely, the pole's density may also present as a demerit, since it makes the umbrella heavy to carry around. To compensate for this, the umbrella comes with a carrying strap that lets you sling it over your shoulder. The umbrella's unique feature is its zippered windows. This maximizes airflow and prevents wind from dislodging the canopy. Which is the best? OutdoorMaster Beach Umbrella is the best for UV protection, as it comes with a handy cup holder to hold drinks and accessories under the canopy. Its tilt mechanism also distinguishes it from its peers, as it maximizes the canopy's blockage regardless of the sun's position. Thanks for watching.